And here we are on module 18, and I'm going to do one of the big problems that's in the homework. You'll have different numbers. The rest of them I think I went over mostly in the other video that I have posted, but I think you'll be fine on them. But this problem is a little more complex, so I'm doing this problem, and I am going to share my screen now. And we are looking at Excel, so let me show you. The problem itself is giving you the information. What you're doing in this problem is doing a statement of cost of goods manufactured in an income statement. And first you need to compute both the cost of goods manufactured by using this data here. And they give you sales, selling and admin, purchases of raw materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. They also give you the inventory balances in raw materials, work in process, and finished goods. So moving on down in our problem here. Okay, so you can see that first thing I do, this is right here, this is the cost of goods manufactured. Okay, so I'm going to calculate the cost of materials. And so I start with the beginning raw materials, which I got from the data. I put in the beginning purchases. It's coming from D10. They're giving you this information. I'm not going to, if I was scrolled up, you could see it. Hold on. D10, it's right there. Okay, and then you're going to get the total available, and then you're going to take the raw materials balance at the ending time period. It's ending, it's the end of the month, and you're going to put that there, and then you're going to get this number, which is basically the raw materials, which you started out with the beginning. You purchased so many new ones. You had 57,000 available for your processing, and you have 5,000 at the end. So that means you used 52,000. You added 30,000 of direct labor, also from D11 up above. They give you that. You get the manufacturing overhead. That's up above as well. They give you that. And I'll show you just so you can see and make sure you know what there it is, okay? And then we get the manufacturing overhead, which is the raw materials. Well, we get, 57.5, and now we get the total manufacturing costs, which are the raw materials, the direct labor, and the manufacturing overhead. So we get 139.5. Then we have to adjust it for work in process. So we add the beginning amounts, which I got from up above, right here. And we have the total costs in process, and then we take the ending work in process, which is coming from here, and we get the cost of goods manufactured. Now, when we come down here, we're going to take the sales amount, which also was given from up above, and we're going to take the finished goods beginning. Remember, they gave it to us. It's right here. And after we do that, we're going to add this cost of manufactured, which we already computed up here, and we're going to get the total goods available for sale. And then we're going to subtract the finished goods inventory at the end, the ending, and we're going to get the cost of goods sold. And we'll subtract 317 minus 138.5, and we'll get our gross profit of 178.5. And then we're going to subtract selling and admin, which they gave us up above, and we will get, voila, the net income. This is a very important thing to know. It's pretty simple, but you need to go through it to kind of understand it. I hope this helps. I really do. And I'm going to stop sharing, and I'm going to say, have a great weekend, and I'll see you online. Thank you very much.